So guys, I will show you my coloring book. But it's not really a coloring book. It's a different book. I made this in just DIY. So, coloring, coloring, coloring. And this is in the down coloring book. That's me. I draw this when I was 8. Now I'm 9. But next, this is my kapatid's drawing. It's super cute. And this is my drawing. That's my drawing. Not my kapatid's. Next is my drawing again. It's a little big.
No, there's not.
There's no color because I didn't color this on purpose. Alas. I don't want to color this. See, I want to color it on first purpose, but I did not. And this is my kapatid's drawing.
Oh, go!
Oh, I mean me. And my kapatid colors this. I do not color like that. And this is another one. Super cute. See, that. I draw that. And that birds, I draw those. And this is my kapatid's drawing. And my drawing of C2. I don't know how to draw. Look, that's just a C2. And this is all of my work. That. And this is my kapatid's drawing again. This is him, my kapatid. This is my kapatid, Colentong. And
Ate Jam calling.
and this is
My joy.
all of my work. And that this has
Ate
also,
open. Tubig.
okay. Here.
Yeah, me tubig.